Hey everyone, this is Karma Lichty with Onward Studios. In this video, we're continuing our discussion of customizing themes. In the last video, we looked at customizing the themes under theme options and also talked and discussed about customizing the header. Again, these options that are available here in the themes page are also available under the appearance option of the dashboard menu. In this video, we're going to look at two more options. We're going to look at customizing the background, and also want to look at this customize option, which is actually not available over here on the left side of the dashboard menu, but is available on the themes page. I'm going to look at this option too and how it puts everything into one area for us. Let's start with the background. The background is actually the color of the area around the actual web page. Now, before I change the background color, let's visit the current website. This is the current website as it looks now, and notice this light gray area around the actual content of the page. This is the color that fills up the browser window that extends beyond the size or the width of your web page. Let's go back to the dashboard and let's change this color to something else. I'm going to click on select color down here in background, and we're going to do something that's incredibly obvious. I'm going to choose a red and choose a darker tint of red and select to save changes. That's the color. If we go to our website and do a refresh of that website, the background color, the area outside of the content, changes to that color. So that's the background color. Let me change that back to a gray. And I'll also look at the customize option inside a theme. So I'm going to go back to the themes page and choose customize. This option gathers everything into one place. So the changes that we've done so far in customizing our theme are now all available to us in this customize page. So we had talked about the title and tagline, which actually shows up in the header if you choose not to use an image, or if you choose to place text over an image. We can change that right here. Again, I'm expanding, collapsing these options by clicking the down arrow next to each of these options. If I want to change the color scheme, change the color of the header text, or change the background color, or change the link color, I can do all that here from this drop-down option under colors. If I want to change the layout to have the sidebar on the left or the right, I can do that from this option. If I want to change the header image, I can choose to do that from here. So again, the customize option available to us inside themes page brings everything into one place. I can also change the background image. Actually, I didn't mention this. When we change the background color, there's also an option to do a background image. I tend not to use a background image. I don't think I have ever used a background image because it affects the download and the speed of the website. So if you use a background image, make sure you use that very judiciously. We haven't really talked about customized menus yet, but we could affect that here. And then the static front page option, which I believe we did talk about that briefly in the dashboard option, to go have a static page or a blog post page. Right? So again, that customize option is a great place to go to set up, to customize your theme, and it puts everything into one place. But it's also available via other methods as well. That wraps up our discussion on customizing the theme.